Most NP students get this wrong, and it's why they fail these questions. Let me show you the top 3 rule-outs every nurse practitioner needs to know. Stop asking, "What is it?" and start asking, "What else could this be?" Use patterns, onset, triggers, history, and objective findings to separate diagnoses. Rule out number 1, shortness of breath. Asthma, episodic, triggered, often younger patients. COPD, chronic smoker, progressive symptoms. Heart failure, fluid overload, orthopnea, edema, crackles. Same symptom, different causes. Rule out number 2, chest pain. Cardiac, pressure, radiating, worse with exertion. GERD, burning, worse after meals. Musculoskeletal, reproducible pain. Rule out number 3, cough. Viral, acute and self-limited. GERD, chronic, worse at night. ACE inhibitor, dry cough after starting meds. This is how boards test you and how you protect your patients. It's not memorization, it's ruling out. What diagnosis do you struggle the most to differentiate? Let's discuss. If you want to master this level of clinical thinking, check out my study tools designed to help you pass your boards and think like a provider. Go to shop.latrinawaldenexamsolutions.com and start studying smarter, not harder.